Hi, Theo here from ElectroFX. I almost forgot that I wanted to make a video on the next trade I took. We've got a nice trend following trend line bounce here on the 4-hour chart. I've monitored it down here on my M30 chart and just made sure that this downward momentum that we were currently experiencing had faded. We did have some indecision candles at the trend line, so this was a bit of a fake break to the low side of this indecision candle, but fully backed up by my trend line zone. So I've entered the buy on this one. I'll be targeting up here because the euro has actually been going up for quite some time, so I'm not going to expect a huge target. I'll go to break even probably around this area here, and then I'll target somewhere up in here. This is my server account, which is an EFX bonus, I guess you call it. So I'm just going to plot a couple of things here. I'm certainly going to want to be, well, it looks like this would actually be a good spot to go to break even. So my trade will automatically be moved to break even there. I am going to watch it as we try and get through 41 here. Just want to make sure it gets through there. I didn't pre-plot my stop loss and take profit for this trade because I just jumped in there. That's a very conservative take profit right there. And my stop loss is going to be, well, bottom of that zone there should do us to start with. Okay, looks like we got through 141, so that's okay. I'll probably hang around and just watch it make it through this area, and then this will be a bit of a set and forget deal for me, but I'll pause the recording and get back to it later on. Okay, I made it back. I just want to give you a rundown on the trade and my thought processes in case that helps anybody. As I plotted out in the first part of this video, my lock profit trigger was here, which is where I received an alert, and once I received that alert I took a look at the chart. I noticed we have this area next is our next obstacle, let's call it. So I did watch the trade from my iPhone whenever I could, and I noticed these candles here at the area of resistance. Like I said, also, you know, the euro has moved a lot, and I believe it could make my original target, but since we're now approaching the M30 trend line, and this trade was at a 1-to-1 risk reward, which is always my minimum, and it does tend to be where I place my lock profit trigger, because when I place a lock profit trigger and I go to break even, I get an email alert. So that's the time I can come and, you know, keep my eye on it and decide if I want to keep it or take the 1-to-1. So in this case I decided to take the 1-to-1. It was just over 50 pips. As you can see, there's plenty of reasons that it could stall here for a while, and I don't really want to be caught up in it for hours and hours. And so I'll wait for the next trading opportunity, which could possibly be some kind of breakout of this trend line to ride the wave up further if it goes that way. So I'll let price tell me that. And for now, you know, I'm just happy with over 50 pips for a few minutes effort this morning. I guess I'll check off for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll get some more videos done as soon as I can. I do have a trip coming up right now, but I'll try and get a couple more videos done before I leave. I will be away for basically 6 weeks. I don't think I'll be getting any videos done then, so I'll try and get some more done, but I hope you enjoyed this one, and stay tuned for the next one.